हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मेरा विदित लिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 एडवांस इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is seldom. It means कभी कभी. The second word is therefore. It means इसलिए. The third word is notion. It means धारणा. The fourth word is mandatory. It means अनिवार्य. The fifth word is arrive. It means पहुंचना. The sixth word is treaty. It means संधि. The seventh word is release. It means मुक्त करना. The eighth word is postpone. It means स्थगित करना. The ninth word is heritage. It means विरासत. The 10th word is fraternity. It means भाईचारा. The 11th word is critical. It means गंभीर. The 12th word is insecure. It means असुरक्षित. The 13th word is research. It means अनुसंधान. The 14th word is opportunity. It means अवसर. The 15th word is opposition. It means विपक्ष. The 16th word is spark. It means चिंगारी. The 17th word is slagging. It means बुराई करना. The 18th word is backbite. It means चुगली करना. The 19th word is safe and sound. It means सही सलामत. The 20th word is appreciate. It means प्रशंसा करना. The 21st word is traveler. It means यात्री. The 22nd word is greedy. It means लालची. The 23rd word is recession. It means मंदी. The 24th word is invention. It means आविष्कार. The 25th and last word is conclusion. It means निष्कर्ष. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.